Hi there, this is Save the Crypto. Now, if you've been a regular subscriber, and there are quite a few of you, you might have been aware that I've been playing on and off with Bitsgap, a kind of crypto trading bot, and I had mixed results, and I couldn't quite work out if I was making money or not. So I've decided to start again and have a more systematic approach to it. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to pick on one exchange, and then use the demo mode and set up trading pairs using equal amounts of money. You can do this yourself. You can just go down to the link below the video, and I think that link gets you a free trial of one of the better plans, and it's a free trial for 7 days. So you could actually, just do exactly what I'm doing now and do your own experiments. So what you get if you go to your pretend Binance demo account and you do reset balance, it will give you, I think it's 1 Bitcoin and 10,000 USDT. So what I did, I went over to the trading window here, and I just basically sold the USDT, turned it into Bitcoin. So now my balance is, as you can see here, is 1.2264 Bitcoin. Okay, so in the demo mode, with the trial, you're allowed to use 5 bots, and that's equivalent to the middle plan, which is the one you actually get a free trial for. So the pairs I'm going to choose are Avalanche BTC, Polkadot BTC, Cardano BTC, Uniswap BTC, and Elrond BTC. So that's AVAX, DOT, ADA, Uni, and EGLD. So what I'm going to do is get the amount of Bitcoin, split it into 5 parts, so that's 20% for each pair, run it for a week, and then see what's the most profitable. And depending on how it works out, I'm either going to select 2 and then buy a basic plan, or maybe use all 5 and select the middle plan, and try and make some money that way, assuming it's profitable. If it's not, then I won't do it, and I'll do another video to sort of say why it wasn't profitable. I got confused before when I tried it, because I was using a mixture of BTC, Ethereum, USDT, and it was getting a bit confusing because obviously the price of Bitcoin goes up and down, and the price of Ethereum goes up and down. It seemed on days when the crypto was down that the actual US dollar amount I was earning wasn't that good, or sometimes even negative. So all I'm interested in is earning BTC. So I've completely excluded US dollars from this, and I'm just trading pairs with BTC. Okay, so let's set up the first one. So the first one is, to do this, I'm using the S-bot strategy, which is the one used in a normal choppy kind of market. The exchange is Binance. The other exchanges you can use are things like Bitfinex, Bittrex, Coinbase Pro, all this kind of thing, but I'm going to use Binance. So you just search for AVAX, and there you go, AVAX BTC. And then I'm going to set this slider thing to 20%. Okay, and I'm going to put that figure there of Bitcoin on my clipboard, the Control-C, and I'm literally just going to leave all the defaults as they are. Now I believe it works best when the grid levels are greater than 80, and it always works better when you've got more capital to trade with. So this is why I'm using quite a large amount, like 1 Bitcoin divided into 5 for the 5 pairs, to try and work out which one performs the best. And what seems to happen is when you use smaller amounts, the grid levels drops down to lower figures, and it doesn't work quite so well. And I believe for the best kind of performance you need at least 80 grid levels, and that's just the way the grid bot works. So I'm just going to go start, and then what it will do is it'll say it's necessary to buy so many Avalanche, and I'll say yes, that's fine, and then it should say it's bought them, market order placed, market order filled, and then the bot is started. So okay, so let's do the next one. which was .btc. So that's .btc. Okay, and I'm going to paste in the same amount, start the bot, and yes, it's going to buy that. It does the buying bit because it likes to start with 50% of each currency, and then it kind of trades between them, sort of thing. In Binance, this doesn't use leverage at all, so I think it's quite safe. I think generally what I found before is that the bot always wins. It's just a matter of if the actual currency you've chosen or the crypto you've chosen goes up and down in value, which is why it gets a bit confusing when you start using US dollars into, But as I say, I'm just only interested in the actual Bitcoin value. So let's do another one. So this is ADA, which is Cardano. Okay, so that's the same amount there. Leave it on all defaults. Start. It's going to buy whatever it needs in Cardano. You can see that's doing its stuff there. So let's go to the next one, which is Uni. So it's just Uni and eGold left now. So Uni, BTC, same amount, start. Yes, it's going to buy that, and then we'll do EGLD against BTC, same amount. Okay, it's going to buy 15 EGLD. So you should see that start now. Yes. Right. Okay, alright, so that says I've reached the limit of the free plan. Okay, so what happened here was I kept checking in on Bitsgap to see how it was doing, and it wasn't doing particularly well, to be honest. And 10 days have passed since I started this video, and the results, yeah, interesting. Now, I've got it set here so that it's showing the language as English and the currency as US dollars. And if you look at the results, at first it looks quite good. It looks like, the bot's made $953, and the total profit and loss it's up 4.43% in 10 days, and it's made like nearly $2,000. Now that all sounds great. If you look at the individual things, like EGLD up 4%, Uni 10%, that kind of thing. There's a loss here on Avalanche, but it's not that severe. Now, what the worrying thing is, if you come here and you set the currency to Bitcoin, right? Now remember, the only thing I was interested in was earning more Bitcoin, and I originally started off with 1.2 Bitcoin. I think I can see my balance here. So it seems that my total value in Bitcoin is now 0.94276 Bitcoin. So what's happened? Well, it looks like I'm down, according to this, 0.0426 Bitcoin, which is quite a severe drop, really. And the bot profit, the bot profit is positive because the bot doesn't know the dollar price of each asset. I guess what's kind of happened is generally that the price of Bitcoin has increased more than the dollar value of the altcoins that I chose. This might be good in the long run because, maybe I wanted to hold some eGold, some Uni, Cardano, Avalanche and DOT, maybe. But the whole point was I wanted to make more Bitcoin, and I haven't. I've actually lost some. So, this is only a demo account, so it's not real money. But bearing this in mind, either I'm doing something terribly wrong, or the bot isn't a good idea. Might be a good idea if you want to take out dollars every month, maybe, or you just trying to balance some assets that you have already, maybe. But
I would have preferred to have 1.2 Bitcoin, come back to it 10 days later, and it still be 1.2 Bitcoin. So at the moment, I cannot recommend Bitsgap unless I'm doing something wrong. I mean, if the manufacturers want to get in touch with me and want to go through this and sort of tell me what I was doing wrong, you're more than welcome. But yeah, for the moment, I would suggest either just hodl or trade manually and trade carefully. So yeah, not a very exciting video that, but I thought it was my duty to. Do this video and just show you that it may look in dollars that it's money for nothing, but in reality, I don't think it is. Anyway, this is Save with Crypto. I promise my next video will be much more cheerful, much more positive, and so thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and tell your friends.